Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve notifications on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Discord and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or it can delete your account. Then you can go to Play Store. If you'll find the update in this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.